Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 116 of Building the Enterprise-D. In this issue, we're doing some more of the second nacelle. We've got the battery pack from last time that we're going to be fitting, as well as the first of the bolts that will hold it in place. And we've got the light. We're first of all going to be fitting the light bulb, the fusing bulb thing. Goes in there. It goes to the end bit, sticks through blob on the flat side. That goes through there. So we've got the greenish light. By the looks of it, green. Was the other one red? I don't remember. But that goes through there. Is held in place by the rest of it when it all goes together, so not for now. We're going to be fitting the switch and the battery box. What I am going to do is check which way round I've got the switch on the other one and fit it the same way. So let me worry about that first. This needs to go that way round. That's going to go across there. Bolts, screws to go through there to hold that in place like that are GM screws. Oh, excuse me. I couldn't find my mute button quickly enough, but there we go. You'll live with that. I'm okay, don't worry. So GM screws will hold that in place. HM screws will hold that in place, whichever way around I decide to have it. So let me get these GMs in first to get that one done. 1, 2 of those. The spare will be put aside in the box in case I need it, although I doubt I will now because we're so close to the end. I've got so many spare screws of various different sizes and types. It really is unreal. That should be in there. Keep the light there. Yeah, that's working. I haven't tightened that one up because that's okay. I need to take it off to fit the batteries to it soon anyway. Get that on there. Right, let me go away and see which way round I want that to be, and we'll come back in just a sec. Right, I've dug out the other nacelle and I've got it so switching it forward, backwards. This is the front, isn't it? Backwards turns it on. So I shall fit this one to be exactly the same. I've also dug out my printed accessories because it's getting towards the end because I can't do that. So that will be on, that's off. So it's got to go that way round in there. 2 screws from this will hold that together. I can open the packet. Come on, that way round. There we go. 2 of them, thank you. All good stuff. Go and get that lined up over the hole. Get one in, the other one lined up first. No, that's not lined up properly. It's not lined up properly. Try that again. Be about there. There we go. Let's just double check. Nothing's going to fall off. Oh, the light might fall out if I turn it over. So yeah, that's now in there the same. Let's get that tightened up. A bit loose. Let's tighten that a little bit further. Go. That's better. Good. That's that. So that's still there. Then we need to put together the little looping sprung bit. So the spring and the pin. Spring goes over the big bit of the pin. That sits inside there. Like that. Springs across there. Cover goes over the top of it. There's a bit either end, so that doesn't matter which way around that goes. Over there, and we've got the final screws to put that together. So again, if I can get into it, there we go. Two of these. Get it open properly. It's so much easier if I get it open just a little bit. There we go. Two of those. One spare for later. They will hold this together. Then we're going to do exactly the same again, I believe, next time with another one, which will eventually hold this nacelle nice and securely onto the battle section. There we go. That's that, which will spring in and out as needed. There we go. That is that. Another one done. Looking like that on the inside. I've got the other half of that, which we'll be using, no doubt, next time to put that together. Let me just double check. Next time we're doing the battery compartment and fitting the other one of those and then locking it up. So join me for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.